Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Matthew Conger and you're watching The Small Chef 11. So today I'm going to be showing you something really exciting. I'm excited to make this for you guys. I've been waiting a long time to make this for you guys. So let's get started. Alright guys, so if you can't tell by this video yet, we are going to be making a peanut butter jelly sandwich. And guys, this is great. I mean, you guys can take this to lunch, easy to pack, good for the kids. So let me show you how to make this. First, you need your peanut butter. Gotta have that. I know some people like it crunchy, but I like it creamy. Now this is about half gone, but just get your knife deep down in there. Get yourself a good slab of peanut butter. Put it on the one side. Don't leave it like that. That's not good. That's not right either. That is not right. Make sure you smooth it out even layers on your sandwich. So you can get thin, nice, thin layer of peanut butter on there. Now, if you like more peanut butter on there, just thicken it up. Now, we got to wipe this knife off. Wipe it off on the bread. Perfect. Next is the jelly. Now, I like grape jelly. Sometimes strawberry jelly, but you guys can use any kind of jelly you want. Even jam's good on it, too. Now, don't be putting it on your sandwich like that. That's just pathetic. Who makes a PB&J like that? That's just garbage. You got to make sure there's enough jelly on there. I love jelly on my sandwich. So, yeah, spread it out. You got to make sure that stuff is spread out. So you get that jelly flavor throughout the whole sandwich. Now, wipe it off on this side of the bread. And look at that, your knife is like basically clean now. You don't even have to wash this if you don't want to. Just throw it back in the peanut butter jar. Flip the bread over. Boom. Look at that. Perfect. Now, if you're picky, you can cut off the crust like this. Boom, boom. Or you can cut it in half. Or eat the whole thing if you want to. Nobody cares. I mean, shoot. You want to get real fancy with it? Plate it up like this. And boom, you got a fancy gourmet lunch right there. So that is how you guys make a PB&J. I mean, this is the best sandwich you can make on the planet. I am not kidding you. Alright guys, that is how you make a peanut butter jelly and sandwich. And I really had fun making this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. April Fools, it's on you guys this time. So if you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. I have some more serious content that is always up here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I hope you guys have an awesome day.